Reading and maps of different kinds. Morning we are discussed about the different kinds of maps and also map makers they use the symbols, different types of symbols like a point, line, area. Point we show that like a capitals, the line to show that like a water like a river jet. So like this, and also the map makers also they are mentioned that like a colors also there. Point, line, and colors they use it while preparing maps. Physical maps already we are discussed that. Surface of the earth we find it like a different kinds of that like a features, relief features like a mountain, hills, plateaus, grasslands, water bodies like this. So now we are discussed about the measuring heights on land. Measuring heights on land. How we are that like a measuring the heights on the land on a flat paper. On a flat paper, all the heights of the land are calculated from the sea level. Since all the seas in the world are connected to each other, so the sea level all over the world is said to be roughly the same. All the heights of the land, all the heights of the all the heights of the land, heights of the land are calculated calculated from the sea level, from the from the sea level. So here why there is a all the land either like a Asia continent, Africa continent, or that like a USA or India or China or like a Australia why they are calculated from the sea level there, from the sea level. So here the world, all the seas, the world since since all the seas in the world, all the seas, since all the seas in the world connected connected to each other, each other from one to other one day. Oceans we are not find out that like any yes I and low also there, the water also there. So Pacific Ocean connect to that like Atlantic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean connect to that like a Pacific Ocean, Pacific Ocean that like connect to that like a yes Indian, and that like a or that like a yes Bay of Bengal, like this all the seas are oceans connected from like a the calculator from the sea level, since all the seas in the world are connected to each other. The sea level all over the world, the sea level, the sea level, the sea level all over the world, all over the world, all over the world is taken to be is taken to be roughly the same, roughly the same, roughly the same. Why the scientists here that like a the land, the height of that like a land calculated from the sea level jet, because of that here the seas are connected to that like a, the world seas are connected to that like a each other day. So all over there, when you go to that like a different countries also there, the sea level are that like a same. That's why who are that like a to measure the heights of the land taken from that like are calculated from sea level there. So this is that like a mean sea level, mean sea level there. So seas or ocean seas, there is another like a higher that like a low there. They're all the world, all the seas are that like a roughly the same, roughly the same. That's why the heights of the land calculated from the sea level jet. Example of that here, like in Nimpur village, Nimpur. This is the Nimpur village site. Like here, they are mentioned Nimpur village, Nimpur village site, and also here that like a yes, this is the water. This is the yes water the sea. Here 0 to 50 meters, 0 to like a here the 50 meters. This is the height of that like a 50 meters from the sea level there. Next one like a 100 meters. This is the 100 meters from the sea level. This is a 150 meters height J from the like a sea level J. So here we find temple. We find temple here. That we find a temple, temple, and we find that like here village also here J. Like a settlements, like a settlement. So you have seen from that like a picture that the Nimpur village, the 50 meters above that like a sea level there. So how we are that like uh, a height of that like a land calculated from the sea level on a flat paper there. So use the like a different colors, different colors. For example, like a yes, this is that like a one color there. This is one color, and like a this is one color that this is one color. The map makers also they are used that like a yes colors to find out that like a the heights of the land, the heights of land. Like a yes, this is also another color that another yes color. Okay, so this is like a one color that this is 0 to 50 meters height from the sea level. Next one, like this is like the dots. This is also to represent the this is 50 to 100 meters height from the sea level. Next one, this is This yes color also there. These symbols also to represent like a 100 meters to 150 meters. Okay, so with the help of that like a colors, with the help of colors, yes, we show that like a the height of that like a Nimpur village also there. Now that like a what is the height of that like a Nimpur village? 50 meters height from sea level there. 50 meters from sea level. So like this, we show that like a the heights of that like a map on flat paper there. Next one, showing heights on a map. Next topic, showing heights on a map. Showing heights on a map day. So in map, how we are to show that like the heights of that like yes, showing the heights of that like land on a map day. So this is also that like yes, another one right, like this is the flat paper. Okay, so here this is these are the water bodies like a yes water bodies right. This is that like a one color and next one this is another jet and next one here also there is a yes another. So here to like a here 50 meters 50 to here that 100 meters. Okay, so mean sea level right that like a 0 to this is that like a yes this is one right like a this one right they mentioned that like a yes symbols also here. So this is 0 to 50 meters. How we are calculating the height of the land on like a yes map there map. So this is that like a 0 to from here from the mean sea level to that like a here day. Or that like a here also day 50 meters height. 50 meters height there. Can you see that that map shows three height zones in a map there? Firstly, area which is that like between the 0 meters height and like a 50 meters height, and area which have that like between 51 to that like a yes 100 meters, and then that like a finally the area between that like a 102 sorry 101 to that like a 150 meters. So does that any place which fall in that like any of that heights zone 51 to 100 meters will be have that like a height which is above that like a 50 meters, but below the 100-meter heights are shown in the different shades of that like a colors. So the showing heights on the the heights the heights of the heights of the land, the heights of the land, the heights of the land shown in different colors, different different colors. So here, like a green color 0 to 150. Like here, this is a like a from here to here, like a 51 to 100, and this is also that like a yes 101 to 101 to 150 101 to 150 day. So like different colors different yes colors also that like a we use a different yes colors on that like a flat paper also there. On that like a yes, the map makers also there. The map makers also there. We see that like a atlas there, green color, yellow color, brown color, light brown, or that like a thick brown there. The thick brown to show that like a exactly the height of that like a mountains. The height of the mountains. So like this way that map makers while to show that like a the height of the land in a map day with the help of colors, with the help of colors. Now look at that like a physical map of that like a Andhra Pradesh in our atlas. I'll map to find out that like a the ranges of that like a height on that like a colors for that places given below that like a reading. So Hyderabad, Vishakhapatnam, just like a Khammam, Chitturu, Karnoolu, like that. Yes, they given that like a just different places. Like here, the Hyderabad is the Deccan Plateau, right? Vishakhapatnam is also that like a coastal area, right? Yes, this is that like a hilly area, Khammam, right? And Chitturu also that like a located into that like a yes hilly area, right? Next one, Karnoolu or Nelluru also coastal areas, right? So finally here, with the help of the colors, we show that like the heights of that like land. Map makers, they use the different color, yes, map also there. Next one, contour lines. Contour lines. What is a contour line? What is a contour line? Contour, contour lines. So how the map makers to show that like a height of the land with the help of that like a color side contour line. A contour line, a contour is a line joining the places with that like a equal heights. A contour, a contour is a line joining the places, joining the places, joining the places with equal with equal heights, with equal heights. For example, like yes, this is so here we see that like these are the contour lines. These are also to mention it like a yes, 10 meters, 50 meters, 100 meters, and like a 500 meters, that like a yes, thousand yes meters also there. They show that like a yes, for example, yes, we find that like we write like a example, yes, these are the hillside. That like here that there is a settlements, there is a settlements. There is a settlement. So the settlements also that like a how is the heights of that like a settlements? Yes, 50 meters from that like a sea level also there. Here same that like a the line join in that like a place a from west to east also there. Equal height. How is that like a here that zero to that like a 1,000 meters here also that like a same 0 to 1,000 meters. So like that the contour lines. Map makers also to draw that like these contour lines for the purpose of to calculate the height of that like a yes, the height of land. To measure the height of that like a land with the help of contour lines. With the help of contour lines, right? So one the map of that like a Nimpuru, you would have seen that there is a line passing through that like a village. This is that like a yes 15 meters contour line. All the places on this line will be have the same height of that like a 50 meters. Like a yes, this is right, and also yes, and also this is right. Like here, when you see here the 50 meters height here only the 50 meters here also 50 meters also here the next one. This is that like a yes 51 to here that like a yes 100 meter. Next here to that like a yes 101 to the 150 meters, 150 meters, like a, how we are that like a, to use that like a, to show that like a height of the land, with the help of the colors, same that map makers also, they are used that like a contour line for the purpose of to calculate the height of the land. So here the distance between that like a two contour lines will be the depend upon that like a landscape. If the land is steep, climb the counter line will be that near to that like each other. The slope of that like a land is gentle, then that like a counter line will be that like quite far from that like each other. So here, some areas that like a gentle slope there, the slope of the some areas also that like a flat there, some areas also that like a some height of that like a low of the there. So that's why here the counter lines, how to draw that? These are also the equal height from one area to that like a another area there for the purpose of easily calculated or measure of that like a yes, the measure of the height of place of the height of place of the height of that like a land also there. Next, uses of map showing heights. Uses of maps, uses of maps showing showing heights, showing heights. So on a flat paper completed, and next one a map also, then a map also that like we show that like with the help of contour line we show that like a the height of the land. So now the use of the map showing the high side, these maps help us to understand that like a the nature of the terrain. Okay, so like this contour line maps also there, contour lines maps, easily we are understanding, we understand, we understand, we understand the nature of terrain, the nature of terrain, the nature of terrain. So we are understanding that how is north side, how it height that, west side height that, middle of that like a these west to east there, or that like a north to south there, or a middle there, coastal area side, or that like a yes, everything we are understanding the height of that like a places also there. Where the mountains are, where that like a valleys are, etc. If you look at that like a physical map of that like a Andhra Pradesh. So here the coastal plains running along with that like a coast of that like a Bay of Bengal. So we see that like a yes coastal areas one height there. Coastal plain. We are not find out that like any yes mountains also there. When we move away from that like a coastal plains, we reach that like a eastern Ghats also there. Ghats are that like a yes higher than to coastal plains. Okay, the nature also like a yes terrain. We find that like a what is that hills also, that like a big rocks also, that like a yes Trees also there. Trees also there. So finally here we find differences between that like a coastal plains and that like a after we cross the coastal plains to reach that like a Eastern Ghats. The height also changes. There is a variation between these two one day. If you travel westward from that like a coast, you will reach the hill which from that like a escarpment the plateau region. The plateau region itself, it is cut by that like a many rivers like a Krishna and Godavari, which from the deep and that like a broad valley in them also jai. So here they, when we travel from that like a coastal areas towards western portion day, when we travel from coastal area to that like a westward, where is that like a yes Eastern Ghats also jai. Eastern Ghats like a Eastern Ghats, Eastern Ghats, Eastern is Ghats, Eastern Ghats. So here these are that like a yes Eastern Ghats. This is that like a yes coastal plains. We say that like a coastal. After we cross coastal plain, we are travel from westwards. So we reach that like these Eastern Ghats also there. Eastern Ghats are not continuous. Eastern Ghats are that like a not continued because of that like a the peninsular rivers to cut that like a these Eastern Ghats join into Bay of Bengal. Like this is that like what is that? Like a yes, this is Godavari. And next one that like a here also there is a here there is a Krishna river also there. There is a yes Krishna. These two are the to cut the Western Ghats. Western Ghats side. So here the plateau region itself to cut by that like a rivers like a Krishna and a Godavari region. When we travel from that like a yes coastal plain, travel to westward, we reach that like a Deccan Plateau also there. Where is that? Yes, Deccan Plateau. So these Deccan Plateau there consists of more yes rocks also there. We find that like a area also some height or that like a lower areas also there. So this is also that the plateau also to cut by that like a these two rivers, Godavari and Krishna Jai. Godavari and Krishna Jai. So there is a formation of that like the broad valleys also of that yes Godavari or that like a yes Krishna Jai. Map showing heights are very essential when the roads or dams to be constructed. If we have to lay down in a undulating regions between the two places, such a maps help that like a deciding the route and taken by that like a road also there. For the purpose of to construct like any dam also there, compulsory need that like a map also there. Or that like a we laid that like a road also there. First one we collect that like a yes the layout of that like a village also there. Where is the important of that like a road also there? Where is the necessity of that like a road also there? Yes, with the help of map. Village roads also there. Village roads also. We are deciding which place is that like suitable to construction that like a yes temple also school also hospital also or that like a project also there deciding. Similarly, when the dams are planned, necessary to know how much land will be that like a submerged by that like a water or that like a yes dam for the purpose of that like a yes to construct that like a dam there. So area is there. Land is that very important to store that like a water also there. How much land there? How much land to need to store that like a yes rainwater there. Okay, so with the help of that like a map. With the help of map, we find out that like a place also, yes, we are constructed that like a right place also, okay. This is the uses of map. Uses of maps are that like a, yes, uses of the map showing that like a height sign. Next one, mean sea level. Mean sea level. Next one, mean sea level. Mean sea level. Mean sea level. There are that like a high tides and low tides on the level of that like a sea, and they never stand till a result of this phenomenon. The level of that like a sea keeps on either that like a rising or that like a falling. Which of the height do we take is that like a sea level from that 0 meter high say? So based on that like a that sea level day, how is that like a the tides also to rising? How much height also to rising? Okay, we are calculated like that also from sea level there. Today we are discussing about the reading and making maps. Reading